Today we are going to cook clams with salt, oil, water and
冬菜
its Chinese name is.
油鹽水冬菜煮花甲
This is a less than 5 ingredients recipe that you can taste the sweetness of clams in short time. First of all, we have to get some fresh clams.
今日嚟到街市，啲蜆都好新鮮喎，睇下仲喐嘅喎。
This is
蜆、沙白、花甲。
They are the common types of clam available in Hong Kong.
佢哋都係喺香港常見嘅
I pick
花甲。
as its flavor is the sweetest among the three. The shell surface is smooth and easy to clean. Remember to store the clams in the fridge at home. The chilled conditions help keep the clams fresh and alive.
買咗返嚟嘅蜆記得放雪櫃，晏晝買，夜晚食，佢哋都仲係生嘅。
Before we cook, clean the clams by scrubbing and rinsing their shells. I have 550 grams of clams, purged and clean.
用花甲因為佢味道鮮甜，而且個殼咧好平滑，好容易咧就可以將佢洗乾淨啦。
Other ingredients include 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, about 15 grams of
冬菜
It is widely used in Asia cuisines as it is an excellent natural flavor enhancer. Personally, I think it works well with clams and enhance the flavor to a higher level. If you prefer less salty, rinse with water before use.
一汁冬菜就可以提升鮮味。唔想太鹹嘅話，可以用水沖佢先至有。
They can be bought in Chinese grocery stores. After use, keep in the fridge and use it later again.
加葱可以令到個餸香啲。
We cut 1 stalk of green onions finely.
洗乾淨之後，將條葱切成葱花。
After getting the ingredients ready, we can start cooking.
可以開始煮啦。
We prepare a pot of boiling water. It must be able to cover the clams.
而家啲水啱啱開始滾，水要足夠蓋過啲蜆。
Bubbles keep coming out, but the water is not yet boiling.
見到泡泡咧都仲未係滾水㗎，我哋叫佢做蝦眼水，直至啲泡泡睇唔到咧就係滾啦。
When we no longer see the bubbles clearly, it is really boiling and we can add in ingredients.
水滾可以落鹽啦，
Add salt.
然後落油，大概1湯匙。
Add oil, about 1 tablespoon. Add
冬菜
and boil for 2 minutes.
落埋冬菜，滾佢2分鐘，就可以落埋啲蜆落去啦。冬菜
Will release its flavor during the boiling.
喺滾嘅過程當中，冬菜會釋放佢嘅味道，令到咧成個餸都惹味啲。
After 2 minutes, add clams into the water.
可以放埋啲蜆落去啦。做呢個餸，我哋一直都係用高火。
I keep using hot fire when cooking this dish. The idea of this dish comes from Fisherman style to cook seafood with salt, oil and preserved kohlrabi. In Chinese, we call it
大頭菜。
It is available in wet market only. After work, I don't want to go around and fetch different stuff, so I replace it with
冬菜
already at home. It was amazingly good. Credit is given to my mother-in-law for teaching me her fisherman style of cooking.
水上人中意用油鹽同大頭菜煮海鮮，我呢度轉咗用冬菜，味道一樣咁好。
I usually buy clams in the afternoon. The fishmongers provide the right conditions for the clams to filter out the sand trapped within their bodies.
買蜆嘅最佳時間係下晝，啲蜆吐晒沙，係放工煮飯嘅好選擇啊！
When the shells open up and the clam meat is visible, they are ready for meal. Take out the clams quickly. The boiling process takes about 2 minutes. Discard any closed ones as they may be dead. Some even have grit inside the shell.
煮2分鐘到啲蜆就會全熟，要打開個殼嘅先至係熟同埋食得，唔開蓋嘅一定要揼著佢，佢哋可能死咗或者入面有好多沙。
Sprinkle green onions on the top. Give a bit soup, let it warm. Green onions can add scent to the dish. Add more or lesser according to your preference.
你啲葱淋返少少湯，令到個餸更加香。
Hope you enjoy the dish. You are welcome to share with me your thought. See you next time.
簡單易做嘅油鹽水冬菜煮蜆，今晚就嚟試下個鮮味啦！麻煩大家 subscribe、like 同 share，下次見。